So what we have here is HP Omen 15. So this is the box. So HP Omen's packaging, the packaging game is top notch, so it can compete with other laptops when it comes to packaging. So some manufacturers, it's just a box and the laptop inside, so you cannot explore it. So I think this is one of the reason why you have a lot of unboxing videos, because there are so much to discover when you open the box. So it's not just a laptop and the charger, so it gets you excited. So for this, there's a box inside the box. I don't know how to show you, but so you open it like this, and what's going to welcome you is the HP Omen Light Away. So you have the laptop right away, so I'm going to take out the laptop, and you have your brochures inside, whatnot. You have to remove this, and you have a box inside the box. So personally, I would put the main laptop inside of this box, so just for it to be more protected, because the moment you open this side, this one, the laptop can drop. So you cannot put this one in the laptop in this specific box. So inside this special box, you have chargers and cords and other papers. It does not have any foam compared with other laptops. So let's open up the HP Omen 15. So HP Omen 15. So the chassis is made, it's metallic, it feels premium. You have the diamond colored logo. So I don't know what's up with the diamond. I think they need to rethink the Omen logo and not just put a diamond on it. So I'm going to mention one of the cons of this laptop. So these are the ports, obviously 2.0 Thunderport. As you can see, you have this part is closed. Meanwhile, you have an open gap on this side. So decoration wise, it is a little attractive. So the laptop is made different compared with other laptops. However, if you have if your support is on this side and you don't have a support on the other half of the laptop, if you put this in a backpack and you have more weight on this side, as you can see, if I press, you can close, but you don't have a weight on this, you put some weight, enough weight on this side, on the other half of the laptop, you can feel that the bezel or the screen will crack. So it's not exactly protected. So I'm not an expert, I'm not a manufacturer. I'm sure HP consider that, but again, for the sense of satisfaction, I want my laptop to close and protected all the way. So you have HDMI, another 3.0, Ethernet, SD card, SD card, HDMI, USB 3.0, Ethernet, headphone microphone jack, and charging port. So let's open it up. So this is the layout for the specific HP Omen keyboard. So you have the Omen logo, and oddly enough, the power button is sandwiched between F12 and the delete button. I don't press the delete, so that will not bother me, but if you press the delete, you may accidentally press the power button. So this power button should be separated from the rest of the key. It is RGB backlit keyboard, so you can change the color of the lights. You can also animate them. So let's check the bezels. So the bezels at the border at the side is slim. However, the bottom bezel is so thick. The top bottom it is not exactly slim. It is not exactly thick either, but the border, the bezel is made from plastic. So for the specifications, we have Core i7-10750H, that is i7 10th generation, Intel UHD graphics, which is common, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. So that is 6 gigabytes of dedicated graphics card. So again, when you are choosing a laptop between Acer, Lenovo, Dell, so I think it goes down to design because they almost have a similar specifications. So 24 gigabyte RAM, that is upgraded, 1 terabyte SSD, and again the RTX 2060, which is 6 gigabytes of dedicated graphics card. So it is 144 Hertz HZ, which is the pretty standard now, but I still keep saying 120 HZ for this kind of gaming laptop. So I'm going to download a 2 gigs so we can benchmark it. So that's it for HP Omen. So since opening this up, you can hear the fan working hard. It heats up quickly, so I mean that's common, but I think it's a little louder since I am not using any application. So let's run a firmware test. So make sure you plug in your charger every time you run a benchmark test. So I did run a benchmark test before without the charger plug in, and I was a little surprised with the result. So so I'm not sure if this is working because we only have 12 frames per second. So I had the Lenovo Legion with the same application, and it's supposed to hit 55 to 60, and that was RTX 3050. So I'm not sure about that. I'm going to pause this video and return to it after 1 minute. So here is the benchmark result. So I'm not so sure about this 12 FPS because again I had Lenovo Legion and that was 50 to 55, so we are only getting 12 frames per second. Maybe I am doing something wrong, so I don't know. Maybe there's something with the laptop, so it's not supposed to be just 10. I have to stop this. Mhm. So that's it for HP Omen 15. So the fan is suddenly working hard and fast. So I was playing YouTube yesterday and it was just fine. Maybe I just need to do some updates.